Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. I'm so glad to see you this morning. I am running late, but it's my intention to let you go as quickly as we are coming into this. So the first card that I received is an expanded energy card. And let's see what else comes out. I don't want to leave you with just an expanded energy card. So we have a couple of cards here, and let's see what that brings in. Here we go. I feel peace in my heart. All possibilities are open, and I take the most harmonious path. I live in harmony and beauty, and I take full responsibility for my life. And we are expanding all of this out, right? And when you're saying I take full responsibility for my heart, sorry, this card means you're taking care of your energy container and you are having your higher self and you're responding to what you intuitively know is you. So I am still waiting for some comments about what you guys need support with. So please feel free to comment in every single one of these videos this week. And I'll try and put something together next week, like let's say on Monday. I will gather all your comments together, and during the week we will focus on each one and try and give you healings around those. So here is our card today. It is from the Gaia Oracle cards. It is the Liberation card. And this is number 25. And it says breaking free from a negative attachment. So let me read you what 25 means. Here we go. 25. As you go through major life changes, expect the best and your optimism will be rewarded. So definitely stay positive during this time, especially today. You will be rewarded for your optimism and your positivity. So let's go with that flow. I mean, we got good cards today. We're in peace and all our possibilities are open to us. So let's go to number 25. And as usual, here is the affirmation in case you want to say it later. And both Instagram and Facebook have that. And then I'll read the card, what it says here. Whether you realize it or not, you have become too emotionally attached or dependent on someone or something, or you have allowed or inadvertently caused someone to get too emotionally attached to you. What at first seemed like a healthy relationship or interest now seems to be taking over your life or is creating too much codependence. A situation that initially seemed like a positive has now revealed its negative side. This is, in effect, like a form of addiction. You are advised to examine this issue and then create some space between you. For your sake and the sake of others, you must do whatever it takes to break free from this negative emotional attachment. Initially, this may cause some resentment and even a sense of panic, but the end result will be worth it. When you manage to emotionally detach yourself from this issue, you will have learned a valuable lesson, and this will serve you well in the future. So, if there is something going on in your life with an emotional attachment, Now is a good time to release it. And you will definitely benefit from loosening that energy from your vibration and from your energy field and container. And then you can bring in more source light to heal your body, more source connection, healing your DNA and your RNA, opening it up, allowing the source light in, and seeing the double helix getting healed, and the RNA and the DNA being healed, and the mitochondria within your cells getting healed. So here is the affirmation. I release myself from all negative attachment. I trust that this is for my highest good. I trust that this is for the highest good of all. I help others most by not allowing myself or them to be codependent. I look at every situation in a balanced way. And that's a good way to deal with relationships, is have them be balanced. And I know that's hard. And I know it's easier said than done. But when you look at your energy and see what it's doing to you, you realize that you'd rather be in a balanced state than being in all this negative energy and this codependent state. And it doesn't seem too hard to let it go when you're in your balanced state and you realize that you really love to be in a balanced state. It's amazing what your body and your container and your energy field will do to help you realize that you want to be in a more comfortable space for you. And it will naturally, if you set the intention, just put it out there, it will naturally happen for you to lose this codependence with this person. Because you don't need someone who's not supporting your dreams or supporting you, and just spilling all this negative information on you on a daily basis. That doesn't help either. So it's all about you creating a better space for yourself and a better environment. And let's use the golden ZenTube today. And you can use this energy in whatever way it suits you to use it today. And let's just go in. And for those of you who are driving and operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. If you have a pacemaker, I don't recommend the sound for you to listen to because it will affect your pacemaker. And if you're pregnant, please check with your doctor about sound and if you should do it. All right. Let's sit back. Let's relax. Let's take some deep breaths. And remember, you can send the sound and the breath to that area of pain that you're going to concentrate on and release, or discomfort. If it's pain, discomfort, unease, wherever you feel it in your body. If it's in a chakra, if it's in an organ, just send the music and send your breath through that space and place where you feel any unease, discomfort, or pain. Engage it before we do this. What level is it at from 1 to 10, right? So then when it ends, you can check Engage and see if it's been released, all right? But you also have to do the work. So you have to be deep breathing and you have to send the breath through that space and send the sound through that space to have all your atoms and molecules just vibrate to a higher level to release that. And any of the energy that's being released gets sent back to source to be transmutated or sent down your grounding cord into the earth to be transmutated. So energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed, right? Or transmutated. So just remember that as well. And if you sit back and relax now and just allow the sound to work and your deep breathing to work. And take that full breath as your deep breathing, right? Because this will center you into your body. All right, here we go. No more lecturing. Now we're just enjoying. And we're bringing in all the teams that we work with for their love, light, and support, surrounding us in this safe container and helping us and sending us messages and their love and their light and their support. We thank Source. We thank Mother Earth. We thank our higher selves. We thank ourselves. We thank our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, fairies, tree people, mermaids, dolphins, unicorns, dragons, our light team, our divine spirit council, our energy team, our vibration team, our sound team, our galactic teams, and our starseed family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are grateful. We integrate all these beneficial upgrades on all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. And so it is. And we slowly start coming back into the body by wiggling our fingers and our toes, feeling the body, feeling the energy, taking some deep breaths. If you're lying down, please start sitting up. If you're sitting up now, just move the upper body for ease and comfort, taking some deep breaths and slowly opening your eyes when you're ready. It's in that space and place of silence where you get messages, and you can also connect and invoke any intentions you have for your day. So you can say, I intend to go through every moment of my day with peace, light, and love. And you can also receive your messages from all the teams that you're working with, your guidance. You'll hear it from your energy. And again, if there is any way I can support you at all, if you can please comment on how you're using sound and how you think sound can support you in your work on self-development. I'd love to hear how I can be of service to you, how I can make these dailies better for you, what really needs to be concentrated on in terms of what type of work you would like to concentrate on. And it would just be a great way to, produce something that can help you and help others too, because we just might all be working on the same things. All right, guys, I appreciate your being here, and I will say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. You are sovereign in your energy. I am sovereign in mine. And just a reminder that tomorrow at 3 p.m., it is the monthly thundercloud session, which is going to be on working with the graying hair and hopefully bringing the melanin back into the hair. And I'd really like to hear more about how I can support you so that we can also do the work on these monthly sessions too and create relevant MP3s for you. The cost of the event is $25, and everything is set up on the business page under the event for the monthly Thundercloud session. And it will take you into the calendar Evite, and you just pick August 26th at 3 p.m. and it will reserve your space, and it will send you the link after you've paid. So it'll send you through to the PayPal link, and then it will come back and send you the Zoom link where the class is going to be. So I hope to see some of you there tomorrow at 3 p.m. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.